Just a few hours from Tbilisi lies Kakheti, Georgia's most famous wine region and a place where history, culture, and flavor come together beautifully. Today, we are taking you along on our Kakheti day tour. Our first stop was a local shop where we tried some Georgian spices.
This is fresh squeezed potatoes, tomatoes. Это свежевыжатый помидор, а это adjika. This is adjika, it's a Georgian spice. They turn like this. And these ones are Churchkhela. Это уже Churchkhela.
Next, we got hands-on with one of Georgia's most iconic sweets, Churchkhela.
Будет готово. Guys, for centuries, Churchkhela was the main source for the Georgian army because there are too much calories. You just boil any juice. It's always hazel or walnut. Это всегда фундук или грецкий орех. You dip in it, hang it on the sun. It's 3 days getting dry. Then it's ready to eat. Yes, you see, this one is cherry. Это сама вишня. So get.
Сюда, и все, хватит. Ага, куш. И что там? Давай, медленно доставай. А вы Да, конечно, секунду.
ये देखो पीछे कितने फ्रूट्स गिरे पड़े हैं।
बहुत गिरे पड़े हैं भाई।
Not as a part of day tour, but we got to pick some organic grapes from the vineyards, which was really fun. The next stop is Bodbe Monastery, a peaceful and spiritual place with some breathtaking views.
वही चीज के जो वहाँ उगरी थी जो पापा करवाते हैं मुझे।
नहीं ये डिफरेंट है।
अरे वही है। चेरी है ये।
चेरी है। हाँ।
चलो फिर
क्या तो सीन है यार, बढ़िया सीन है।
सभी वो हो चुका है।
पुराने स्टोन से ही है।
कोरोजन हो चुका है इसमें स्टोन में।
Our journey continued to Sighnaghi, often called the City of Love. It's a small, beautiful, romantic village.
City is standing on the mountain. It's impossible to attack the city when you run up the hill. And during the centuries, none of the enemies ever managed to invade in the city. Besides that, it's standing on the mountain. It's also surrounded with all. Guys, these are the names of the locals, the ones who died in the Second World War, just from this small part of the Georgia. There you can see like so many surnames, like 20, 25 members of one family. And so guys, in all times, city looked absolutely different. That's why the city was like ending. We go outside this door, there was like nothing, field just open, valley and so on. And this was one of the first gates to enter the city. 23 towers like this was surrounding all of the Sighnaghi. And 21 of them had names like grape, like village, somehow. These specific gates were Nico is very poor guy. He moved to Tbilisi and just painting to get some food and drinks from the restaurants. To get some drinks and food from the restaurants. And once from the France, the theater is coming to do some performances in Tbilisi. He falls in love with one French actress. Her name was Margarita. Nico had one small apartment in Tbilisi, sold this apartment and buys for Margarita 1,000 red roses. Puts in front of her hotel balcony. In the morning she wakes up, oh my God.
We stopped at this nice place for lunch, and in the basement of this restaurant, we got to see how traditional Georgian wines are made.
There is also 5% of the grapes which are most exclusive, most expensive and most rare. We try one of them. They are harvested November and December. When the first freeze hits the grape, they are called ice wines. So we collect everything, соберем все, and we put in this wooden box over there. И положим вот тот деревянный ящик. Там подойдите. you smash the grapes with your legs. This is always made from the oak or walnut because they have best antiseptic qualities. They don't give any extra flavor, any extra taste. So from the pipes is труба отсюда, everything going there. Все спускается уже в глиняный горшок. And there the fermentation starts. Every wine has its own way of wine making. Dries take longer, sweets less, and so on. У всех вин свой метод виноделия. Сухие занимают больше, полусладкие поменьше, брожение и так далее. So after the wine is ready, wine we move to another clay jar, empty one, but all the leftovers, which is grape leftovers, seed, skin, mash, right? All of it we collect and we distillate through this equipment. Chacha is always grape, guys. Don't confuse with vodka. Vodka is wheat. This one is tarragon. Tarragon, it's a plant. Tarhun. Yes. How we do tarhun? Chacha. Как мы делаем chacha is tarhun? We say tarhun не будем дистиллировать. We don't distillate tarhun, right? We distillate grape, мы прогоняли виноград. Look. You see? You put inside tarhun. It will give flavor, it will give taste, it will give color.
One of the highlights was walking on Sighnaghi city wall. It felt a little like the Great Wall of China. यहाँ से चढ़ के आए हम लोग
साइड से अंदर
यहाँ से चढ़ के आए हम लोग पहली बार इस काइंड ऑफ क्या कहते हैं
Watch tower
के अंदर आए हैं Our final stop was tasting shoti bread.
Foodie in Georgian is the bread. This bread is called shoti.
Kakheti was really a fun day trip. If you are visiting Georgia, you cannot miss on this one. That's it for this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.